In this quick video, I'll show you how to connect your iPhone to your Brother MFC-J1205w printer to be able to scan but also to print using the Wi-Fi. So let's get started. First step, you need to go on the App Store and download the Brother Mobile Connect app. So search for Brother Mobile Connect and download this app. Then we need to put the printer into pairing mode. So if we look over here, you're going to notice there is a few buttons. The one in the middle is the Wi-Fi button. It has a Wi-Fi symbol on the button. And beside it, you're going to find a light. What you need to do next is to keep press this button during 2 seconds, 1, 2, until the light of the Wi-Fi and the power button are both blinking. Great. Now go on your phone and launch the app. Now on the app I had another printer connected, but don't worry, on the top you should see add machine, or on the top right corner you should see a printer. Click on one of these, then click on connect your machine to Wi-Fi. Click allow while using the app. And now it's time to type the name of the printer here. So I'll type MFC-J1205w. Click on the name of your printer in the list. It will tell you to do exactly what we just did previously, so press on confirm. Press join. Select your Wi-Fi name and now type the password of your Wi-Fi. Click connect. And now you just have to wait. Usually it takes around 25 seconds. So you get all the 3 green check marks on this page. Then press skip. They're just trying to sell you stuff. Then activate later. Select maybe later. Press again skip, and now exit setup. They will bring you to the Brother website to sell you more stuff. Just go back to the Brother app. And this is the main screen. So how do you print? You have 2 choices: document print and photo print. If you want to print a document, obviously select document, and now it's time to go through the files that are on your iPhone and select the one you want to print. Let's say I want to print this document. Press on the cog wheel right over here and make sure these settings are okay. So the paper size, mine is letter size, so I don't have to change this. The number of copies, do you want in black and white, and quality. If you're printing a picture, under quality, select fine. If not, the result won't be the best. If you're simply printing text or graphics or something not very important, leave it to normal. Do not select eco mode. This gives you the worst results. Let me go back, and now press print. Extend this tray. If you have selected to print in fine mode, it will take you more time, but it will give you better results. Okay, now let me show you how to use the scanner of this printer. So on the main page, tap on scan. Open the scan lid and make sure that you place the paper the proper way. So place it facing down with the top part of your page towards the right side. Then align the corner of the printer that is over here with an arrow with this corner of the paper. Bring them so both are touching. Close the scan lid. Make sure these settings are okay with you, so color or black and white, the document size, and the resolution. If you're scanning text, you can select 200 dpi or even 100 dpi. But if you're scanning something with a lot of details, like a picture or maybe a painting, select 300 dpi. This will give you the best results, but it will take a longer time to scan. Go back and press scan. You're gonna get the result right over here. If you want to add multiple pages to this PDF document, go ahead, take your next page, put it here, and select Add Page. If you're done, press Done, and now press the cogwheel down below. Now you can edit the name, change the file extension. So if it's a picture, choose JPEG instead of PDF, and file size, do not touch it. Go back, and then we have Share Save. Click here, and you'll be able to share it on social media, share it on certain apps, or if you go down this list, you'll be able to select Save to Files, and then this means that the file will be saved in your iPhone. This is it. I hope my tutorial was helpful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, check my Amazon affiliate links if you want to support my channel, to buy some ink, some paper for this printer, or even a brand new printer. Thanks, and see you in the next one.